Hi everyone. Are you one of those researchers struggling to synchronize your EndNote library on two computers? Or are you that person willing to share part of your EndNote library with other fellows that you are working with, and you are worried about how to do it? You are concerned about it because sometimes EndNote is giving you a headache. If you're looking for that type of response, here is what I am going to propose to make your worries go away. Stay tuned. We are going to do this together. You may have already downloaded and install and organize your EndNote library on a computer, or you may have created an online account. If you haven't created an online account yet, let's create one together. By typing my EndNote web, this link does the same thing, so does this one, but I am going to use this first one. I have already created my account. I can log into it, but EndNote also gives you the chance to log in for your social media account as well. If you haven't done one yet, you can go ahead and register here, but in my case, since I already have one, let me just log back into it by putting my email and log in right here. I will be right back. I just log into my account. It is right here. But I am working with somebody who is somewhere who would like to collaborate with me. But before I do, I want to start synchronizing my library to be accessible online at the same time on the computer. Since my online account is ready, now I am going to link my desktop account with the online one. I'm going to hit edit and then hit preferences, and here I'm going to hit synchronize. There's already my email and password, which stand for my account. So in your case, you will type yours and then you hit password. If this was different, I was simply just going to go to apply. But you get the idea. You put your email here, you finish, you hit apply and OK. After you've done that, make sure you click on synchronize. This has been already done, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to close this. Next, let me download a reference. Okay, I just search for one article, and this one I just picked as an example from ResearchGate, and I hit on export citation. I simply need the citation. Download it, and I'm going to open it up. It is right here, but because I'm working, I already create a group, but I'm going to delete this group, and then the latest papers that I just downloaded is right here. I'm going to add this to a group. I don't have one yet. I'm going to create it. If I had one, I can add it, but let me just create a new one. It just get created. I'm going to rename it EndNote Sync. Let me just give it a funny name. And after that, I hit enter. So this article is included in this group. Now I want to share this with somebody. Let's do that right now. We could do it straight from the software by clicking on share group, but because I have not synchronized the reference that I just added, it will not let me do it. So let's hit OK, and then synchronize button after I hit OK is already active. And once it's done, it's gonna be make it possible for me to click on it. But let's do it again. If I were to synchronize my library, this is what I would do. And now I will just wait. It is done. Now I am going to hit on share group, and I'm going to set that with myself. We type my email. Well, let me just type any email. It is just an email, okay? A message. Hi. There you go. Okay, now type any message that I want. I can choose how I want a person to be able to read only or read and write. And if I'm done with it, that's just like this. I hit close. Now let's go online and see what we got. This is the library. It has been synchronized. Let's see if we have this one here by hitting on references. And see, we named one a while ago, and sync is right here. Let's hit on these small heads, and it will bring the one we just shared. Let's add more people to this by simply typing their email. Okay. It is not that this is not right, but let me just type my own domain name so that if it doesn't go, it will still be on the server somewhere. Okay, I can still read and write. So I'm simply going to apply. One email has been added. Close window. So we have two people here. But what I'm going to do, since this one is not real, I'm going to delete this and keep the one. See, at this time, this library has been already shared by the other fellow I'm working with. That should be by far enough, and you will share your EndNote just like that. And I may come back for another video, maybe about how you use EndNote on the computer, and then you include the reference, and then it doesn't show up on the other computer, and then you are having trouble. You try to add it, then you have a duplicate, and there's something embedded on your computer, and then you are struggling with how to format your final paper. If that is what you're going through, you can comment this video, and then I'll get back to you with what I used to do. But I am making this video because one of my fellow workers in Africa is struggling with EndNote and how to share it. So I thought I should make this video available for anybody who will be interested. That's gonna be it for today. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and then subscribe to my channel. Even though this channel is purely for immigration and DV, lottery, visa, and all kind of businesses, I just throw this in for those who will be interested. Thank you for watching.